Hi YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to fix this GE dishwasher water sitting in the bottom of the dishwasher. If you like to wash your dishwasher overnight and you wake up in the morning, there is water sitting in the bottom, and if you notice on the side of the dishwasher there is a little hole. That's where the clean water comes out. That's where the water comes out. If you notice, you will probably see water dripping every couple seconds. You see water dripping in there? Okay, so you have the problem. You know what it is. Today I'll show you how you fix this. The problem is actually the water valve. It's this part right here. It's called the water inlet valve. You can see model number right there. You can get it at Amazon. Part number is WD510X22999. Okay, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this. All that you need is a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. It can be a screw gun or a screwdriver, and a 1/4 of an inch. You don't need this, I'll use it today because I gotta tighten the bracket. But all that you need is a screwdriver. Okay, first you open your dishwasher and you're gonna find these brackets. By the way, these apply for most of the dishwashers. You just have to find the right part number for your dishwasher. So you take these two Phillips screwdriver or whatever you have, if it's Phillips or star or square, take this screw out, one here, take it out so you can slide your dishwasher back. Let me do this right now. After you pull it out, don't forget you have to close the water. You have to close the water supply for the dishwasher. In my case, it's right under the sink. You have to find the valve and close it. That's very important. Also, you have to unplug it from the wall. Unplug it from the power. And here is the valve right on the left side of my dishwasher. So this is what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna remove this and you see how easy it is. What you also need is a plier like this, or any other plier that allows you to press the clamp. So be aware that some water may come out. So this is the valve. All you have to do is pull it up and you come out of the bracket. It's gonna come right out. Just pull it up upwards. I'm sorry. Unplug the wire. There's a little clip. There's a little clip right there that you have to unplug. Let me get some wire. Okay, right here there's a clip. You press it and disconnect. Now with this plier, what you have to do is press this clip and move it out. Okay, move it out. Now pull these holes out, and let me get something to catch the water, because some water will come out of there, come out of that hose. Then you unscrew this. It's like a garden hose connector, you know. Sometimes if it's too tight, you may need a plier, but in this case I don't think so. This one's not too tight. It's only supposed to be a hand tight. So this is the old one. What happened is the gaskets inside, it gets drying out, and the solenoid valve that opens and closes, it gets stuck and doesn't close properly. Sometimes they got stuck closed and no water comes out of the dishwasher. So if no water is coming out, there's a big chance that this is the problem. Now let's get a new one. As you see, it comes with new bracket. I don't need a new bracket, so since the old one is already installed, I'll just remove it. So first thing I'm gonna do is connect it to this big hose connector. It's similar to the one that you have in your garden hose. Don't over tighten. It has a rubber gasket inside, so you don't need to over tighten. Just hand tight. Put this back. Put the clamp back. Connect the cable. slide it back, slide the valve in the metal bracket, and that's it. These connectors don't mind about that. That's nothing. Your machine won't have that. And that's it. Now, before you put the machine back, okay, it's all the hoses are connected. Now we open up the water. And let's run a test to see if the water is coming out. Oh, don't forget to plug it back on the wall. Now what you have to do, so you can see the water coming out, you get like a spoon or something and press right in the middle. There is a little button over there. So just stick you like a fork or a spoon handle right there. Okay. And press the start button. Okay, right here you have the start button. Just press it. And you can see water is coming out right there on that hole on the side. That's good enough. Okay, I released the button, this little button inside the latch, and it stopped. So now when you look at it, no more water is supposed to drip from there. If you remember how it was dripping before, now it's not dripping anymore. So that's it. So the problem is fixed. The valve only cost $18 on Amazon. So now what I have to do is put it back in place. That's it. Everything's working now. I really appreciate if you like this video, if it was helpful to you, I will really appreciate if you can hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and share with your friends that may have the same problem. And this is a common problem on dishwashers. On any brand, if that happens, just find the water inlet valve, and that will probably that's the way you will probably fix the problem. Okay, thanks for watching.